Dow Jones scaled to record high levels at 38,800. Last week we have discussed that as long as it stays above 38,000 levels, we can look forward to a stronger rise. Now, can this rally continue further towards 39,500 to 40,000 levels, or there is a pullback which is awaited? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading Dow Jones next week? We and in the month of February, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Remember one point: markets may continue to rally as long as the retailers who are holding the positions or the institutions who are holding the positions on the short side, on the sell side, and giving the retailers a little pain before everybody closes the short position, then only markets will reverse. So can it continue this? Let's have a look. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of twice a day releases. I share twice a day update for Dow Jones, first with the Asia and Europe session and next with the US session. These two daily updates for US30 definitely adds meaning to your daily day trading decisions. Thus, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Also, do join the channel memberships to get the additional benefits. Now, let's have a look at the monthly chart. See, the new monthly candle has started. And if you look at the last three candles, you can see diminishing body size. Now, diminishing body size certainly suggests that the bullishness has reduced. Now, this means that this candle, this month, probably we are looking forward to a reversal in US30. Also, if you look at, it is trading at the top of the Bollinger Bands. It has achieved the top of the Bollinger Bands, and stretching the move outside the Bollinger Bands definitely will increase the chances of a pullback, and this pullback can be stronger. The next observation is, if you connect the highs here, you will find 39,300 to 39,500 as an achievable level as well, almost 1,000 points to 800 points from the current level. But I definitely see that the top of the Bollinger Bands should put an extreme pressure on US30 for a further rise. However, it is not showing any signs of retracement. The next observation on the monthly charts is, see, a few months back, I have mentioned that it was trading in this box and a breakout is going to be a stronger one. And then we have created this channel, and that time also I have mentioned that the breakout is going to be a stronger one. It has certainly led to a stronger rise here on the monthly charts. The divergence of the price from the 20 period, if you look at the 20 period moving average, sitting at around 35,000 levels, median at around 34,000 levels. Thus, a pullback has to be there sooner or later. Stochastic is overbought. MACD, now look at the monthly MACD. This is divergent, this is bullish. This is one indication which is suggesting, see, it is consolidated here enough. It is looking divergent, it is looking upwards. Thus, it appears that this monthly candle can also achieve fresh highs. MACD is the only indicator which is suggestive of a stronger bullish momentum. Stochastic is anyways overbought. RSI is rising. Coming to weekly. Now look at weekly charts. Moving averages divergent, bullish, looking upwards. Prices divergent from the 20 period moving average. 20 period sitting at around 36,300, 400 levels, almost 2,000 points from the current levels. Also, if you look at it, is traded in this consolidation zone where it has got the support intact at 37,000, 37,200 levels, and after consolidating for here for a while, couple of stronger bullish candles are seen here. The next point is, it has left a little wick on the upside, which suggests that it can in fact continue further, though because we have seen good rise so far for last multiple weeks, it should try to show a pullback, which is right now it is not indicative. Only a drop below 38,000 levels is a confirmation that the bears are back. As long as it stays above 38,000 levels in the coming week, we should not be treating this as bearish. Once again, I am reminding you that as long as 38,000 levels are not breached on the downside, we should not be treating this as bearish. But remember, too much of divergence of the price from the moving average calls for it to converge a bit. Stochastic is staying overbought. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish, looking upwards here on the weekly charts, and it has still a lot much of room available for it to continue with the rise towards the top levels. Stochastic again has come to overbought levels here. Let me take you to the pre-COVID era on the weekly charts. Look at the extremely, this is called the extremely overbought level. And looking at that, it appears it has still lot much of scope for it to continue with the rise. Coming to the daily. Now, look at the daily charts, 37,800. This was the resistance. Then this levels have become the support. With that as support, we have seen US30 continuing to deliver higher highs, higher lows. Now 37,800 and 38,000. This is the zone US30 has to break in order to confirm the reversal, and thus these levels are going to play an important role in the further future direction for US30. Right? We can see the daily charts. It has put in pressure on the Bollinger Bands to expand further, and we have seen a swing candle. Now the coming candle, if it opens above 38,600, 650 levels, again we can expect it to deliver further highs on the very first trading session itself, where you can look forward to this size of candle, where in fact it can try to break towards 39,000 levels. There is a possibility, and a reversal confirmation is only and only if you see US30 trading below 38,300 first on the daily charts. I'm confirming, then 38,150, 100 levels, and then there are greater supports as long as 37,800 is respected. Only below 37,800 we should treat this as a reversal, and a major fall can be seen, else it is trading in this bullish channel, where the bottom of this channel it is at around 38,200, 100 zone. Stochastic overbought trying to look downwards. Look at the daily MACD starting to diverge, suggestive that it can still continue with the rise for the double top, which means if it continues to trade bullish from the current levels, then looking at the rise here, 40,000 levels appears to be achievable as well. Be watchful. Do not treat US30 as bearish. RSI is again entering into overbought levels. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4 hour charts, very simple, rise retracement, then it has consolidated and then a breakout. Then retracement towards the 50 period, then a breakout. It is still staying in this bullish channel here. Where are the support on the 4 hour charts? 38,300, and the resistances on the upside are very much near to 38,800 level. So 38,800, or rather let's include this complete zone between 39,000 to 38,800, 200 points. Greater resistance on the downside, 38,200, 300, the greater support zone. As long as US30 stays between this zone, we have to be cautious, watchful, alert with the rise here. Also, if you look at after retracing here on the 4 hour charts, it has shown a stronger momentum, rising from 37,000 to 38,800. Very strong move is seen. Stochastic is overbought, it is trying to drop. MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish, it is still looking upwards. And if you look at, see, the peaks here and here are still suggestive that it has still room for it to rise further. RSI is also seen a good rise. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy for the coming weeks so that you can trade profitably. And before that, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my 29th mentorship batch commencing in a couple of weeks. 28th batch started this week itself. Equip yourself with the right tools and strategies in order to trade profitably. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can benefit. For any of your queries related to the services, you can ping me on Telegram or write an email to me. And yes, do join the free Telegram channel for live updates of the market, and do visit the platform forexfunda.com, which is my own platform where you get the economic calendar, the live charts, the community of traders, and also the uh, facility to book a call, schedule a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. Yes, visit the platform forexfunda.com. Coming to the levels to buy. Again, in the coming week, 38,600, 660 is the zone you should watch out for. If it stays above this zone, we can look forward to 38, 750, 780 levels. And if it breaks beyond this, we will look forward to. Now, see, this is the zone. If it breaks, certainly the bullish momentum is going to continue. And after this, though, see, it may try to approach closer towards 39,000 levels and may fall shy of it. But yes, 38,920, 39,050. Yes, it can try to break these levels here, 39,050, and beyond which you can look forward to, in fact, 39,200 and 39,320, 39,500. Yes, this is the milestone which it would like to achieve, and these levels are applicable for the month of February. As in how it stays above 38,800, 39,000 zone, the bullishness is going to increase despite the swings earlier. Despite showing the swings, despite it dropping, we can again expect it to move towards the highs towards the end of the month. Remember, the month has just begun and does still, if it breaks beyond 38,800, 39,000 levels, continue to stay bullish. Every drop will be an opportunity to buy. On the downside, where you can sell, because we all think that it has come to an extremely overbought levels, it should try to retrace a little. Thus, I will only recommend you to sell here at 38,500. See, 540, 500 is the zone where you could initiate a selling entry. Expect it to move towards, see, 38, 400, or rather, I will 38, 400 is a very, very good support. And then this zone 38, 400, 38, 300. If it breaks below this, you can look forward to a sharper drop. And then I will be looking forward to 38. 100 levels, the next support, and below which you can look forward to 37 800. Now there are greater supports on the downside in between 37 800 and 38 100, 300 points zone, but yes, it is a great support for US30. Thus we need to be cautious in between this. Every 100 points, rather, I will say, there are great supports. See the difference between the buy side and the sell side. Almost every 100 points you can count a support for US. So yes, on the downside, be careful. As long as 37 800 is respected, we should not be treating this as bearish. It can bounce back again. Below 37 800 is where the bears will take over, and US30 might try to drop towards 37 500, 37,000 levels. Chances for which appears to be less. Possibility of a recovery again later towards the end of the month can be expected. And in fact, right now, even we are talking about recovery only when there is a drop. Right now, it is still showing the bullish momentum to continue. Just watch out on the upside at 38, 800, 39,000 levels, beyond which is sky the limit. Take your trades accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series, Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Do watch the twice a day updates as well. Definitely, it will add meaning to your trading decisions. Thank you very much. Have a great, profitable trading week ahead.